Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm breaking down how DailyPay works, a cool tool that lets you access your wages before payday. If you're tired of waiting 2 weeks for your cash, stick around, I'll explain it step by step. So first, DailyPay's an employer perk, so your job needs to offer it. If they do, download the DailyPay app from the App Store or Google Play, or hit up dailypay.com. Sign up with your work email, like a bank account or debit card for transfers, and you're in. It's free to join. Step 2. As you work, DailyPay tracks your hours via your employer's payroll system. Each shift you build a available balance, usually about 50% of your gross earnings, minus taxes and deductions. Check the app daily to see what's ready to grab after your shift's approved. Now the fun part, transferring cash. In the app, tap Transfer. Pick an amount from your available balance and send it to your bank or card. Instant transfers cost $3.45 or less, depending on your employer, or wait a day for free next day deposits. You choose. Step 4. On your regular pay, DailyPay sends whatever's left, your remainder day, to your account minus what you've already taken. It syncs with your payroll, so no hassle with your boss. Think of it like borrowing from your own paycheck early. And that's DailyPay in a nutshell. Sign up, track your earnings, transfer when you need, and set up on payday. It's clutch for bills or emergencies, but watch those fees if you overdo it. Tried it? Drop your comments and thoughts below. Like and subscribe for more money hacks. See you next time.